Good afternoon. Well, we're looking at gold at the moment, and it was a bit of a hairy week last week. You can see the weekly range up there, 1452 to 1399. Now, the important thing, although we closed lower on Friday, I think that was just people getting caught long and having to get out over the weekend. Still looking at that chart, I can't see anything at the moment that would make me think that gold is a raging sell. I really can't. But I'll have a look at the monthly. Yeah, well, I can't do that at the moment. The monthly's got a bad price in it with gold going to 2100. So we'll stick with the weekly. You can see there was the breakout point. We broke out Thursday. We didn't do it Friday. Okay, we come back and we closed lower. But we didn't close below any significant support. We really didn't. So as I say, although these look overcooked, they are weekly. They're a little bit slow moving. So let's take a look at the daily. So what I've done with the daily is I've took a retracement back from the lowest point that we were at last week to the highest point, and that's where we are. So we didn't go through the 61.8, and that's at 1420. I think that this day, Friday's always a difficult day, and we are going into the summer season, and the summer season's never great. It's always whippy. So it could be people closing out their positions. The schools have broken up, or some of them, and the holiday season is well in the swing. Watch this. We need to break back above 34. Now, I know that these have turned bearish. Okay, they're neutral. These ones have turned bearish. But gold can go sideways, and does a lot. And that eases the overbought indicators. So what we could be seeing is just like a little bit of to-in and fro-in. Mondays isn't a great day to start trading either. So we're looking at a little bit of to-in and fro-in. And I don't really see that gold's going to fall out of bed. I think we have made that break above that pattern, that continuation pattern. I mean, you can see it certainly wasn't a topping pattern at all. So I really do believe that the market is in a good position. It will trade higher. Now, whether or not we get to 1603 before the end of the summer, I'm not too sure. But that is the measure target if we can get back above that 1432. Now, a bit longer, medium term, if gold cannot get above there, then the chances are we're going to come back and test the base of this pattern. Now, the base of this pattern is coming in at 1390, and I truly believe that you should buy into any weakness down to this area, and you're placing your stops below 1379. Because if it breaks 1379, then we're not going to go up, we're going to go down. So for the moment, gold's hanging on in there, bit bearish on the dailies, but sideways will alleviate that, hopefully, and let us go back up, take out that 34 area, and be on our way to better and greater things. Okay, good luck. I will catch you all later.